You guys, welcome back. Today I'll be harvesting some lemongrass to make a Cambodian stir-fry dish called cha Kroeung. It requires an herbaceous paste called Kroeung, made of a handful of aromatics that you may already be familiar with. There will be a roughly written recipe in the description area of this video. For cooking in general, I encourage you to use any written recipe as a starting point, and taste and adjust as you go. You can use beef as well, but today I'm using chicken thighs because it's all I have, and I've trimmed off as much fat as I could. This is what will also be going into my stir fry. I believe some people use celery too. Different types of basil, any type of peppers would work really. This is just what I have available. I'm definitely a fan of garlic, especially when it gets a bit golden and crispy. Infusing its deep flavors into the oil that it's cooking in. This is one of those dishes that perfume your entire house with the scent of herbs. There are some serious flavors going on here. Here I'm using palm sugar, but you can use white sugar as well. The sugar is added to balance the flavors, not to make this dish sweet at all. I guess you can say it's similar to baking. You know how you add some salt to desserts, but it doesn't make the dessert salty, right? And simply just for balancing flavors. Everyone has their own preference on taste. The brand of fish sauce that you use might be saltier, and your chilies might be milder or spicier than mine. Or the oyster sauce you might have on hand might be sweeter than the one I'm using. Start with what you have first. Focus in on tasting and adjusting as you go until you have the flavor that you like. There's nothing wrong with making it your own. I'm also adding a bit of tamarind soup mix. You can make this dish sour if you wanted to, and I think it would taste really great that way too. But I'm just adding a bit in to round off all the flavors together. So here we have it, guys. Cha Kroeung. The robust flavors go so well with jasmine rice. I hope you guys give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for weekly videos. Until next time, be safe everyone.